Hello, my name is Eva Myluk, and this is a LibGuide on globalization, the process of integration and interaction among governments, companies, and people worldwide. This video tutorial will help guide you through browsing the page. The LibGuide has been classified into categories using columns. The first column presents you with printed resources or books about globalization, the publication date, as well as call numbers where applicable, helping you narrow down your search if using the Missouri University Ellis Library. A brief description of each resource can be seen when you hover your cursor or your mouse on the title of the resource. The second column has geographic directories and government information. And here you'll find both electronic and print resources on globalization. Again, more information can be seen when you hover your mouse or cursor over the title of the resource. And here you'll find a little description about what each title is going to talk about. Just below the second column, you'll find a third column that presents you dictionaries and encyclopedia on globalization. Here you'll find more information, and the resources that you'll be looking at here will mainly just be dictionaries and encyclopedia. And when you hover your cursor on the title, you should find more information that gives you a brief description of what each resource will be presenting you. Lastly, to the bottom right of the page, you'll find a column that has biographies. Here you'll get biographies on some of the influential figures in history that played a big role leading to globalization. In this category of biographies, you'll find 3 resources. One that talks about philanthropists and foundation globalization. Another one that talks about Henry Watterson and the New South. And the third one will be talking about the accidental American. Again, just hover your cursor on the title, and if you click on that, you should find more information with a description of what each title will be talking about. All this information can also be found in the Missouri University Ellis Library, both electronic and printed materials. The call numbers that I've provided on this LibGuide should help you find the resources very easily. Thank you so much. I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.